Hey up, I'm Mink, and if you're new to the channel, this is SandBlasting channel. So yeah, I thought I'd try something new, show my face today. So we've got this to do. Front base plate. What we're going to do is sandblast it, and to get, you know, we're going to get that blacking off, and there's that rust, and then little bits of black or whatever. I need to turn that round. Oh no! Oh no! Why is it shutting off? I can turn the sand off. Obviously that's no good. What's it? Why have I got loads of sand coming out here? What's happened? What? Can't turn it off. I can't stop it. That should be off at that. And then I have to wedge that in there, I think, and the turn the machine off. Stuck, and I can't turn it off neither. Oh shit. Okay. It's a new rubber, that. It's only been about a week. I can feel it blowing on my hands. Oh, it's leaking now. Tools on me, I know I ain't got the tools that I need to be able to open it up. Some Mister's tools, a couple of big spanners, not something that I carry on van. In fact I might have, I've got some monkey dentures, I might be able to open it up. Oh, inside there's a circlip though, I know I ain't got no circlip now, I'll not be able to do it, not on site. There's a circlip inside that I'll not be able to get off. I ain't got tools on van to do it. I know that for sure. I could try twatting it with an hammer a couple of times. Right, how am I going to wedge this now? How did I have it earlier? Went straight on there, didn't it? Can't bloody wedge it. Nice to be able to don't want to dislodge that up there while it's blasting away. It's going to cost a fortune running fuel, this. Pumping all this air in here when I don't need it. Obviously my compressor's working its tits off up there to make all this air what I'm just wasting. There's not what I can do about it, I suppose. It's some years since I used that last pot. It was my go-to, it was my main pot at one bit. Hodge Clemco 2040. Yeah. Obviously 20 inches one way and 40 inches other way. But then, when you're working something for so long, you tend to see its flaws. And you think to yourself, I could make that a little bit better if only it did this and if only it did that. And that's where I came into building my own pot. And this is what I'm running at the minute, not the issues. So I suppose it's reliability more than I don't know. Mind you saying that, I've been running this pot for a good 5 years, 4 or 5 years. And I've only had small teething problems with it. So obviously now I've got an issue with my sand. There's not what I can do about it. I can't just stop and nip the van to turn it down. It's a big job, isn't it, when it doesn't stop. So I think what I'll do, it's only a couple of bags of media, I'll just see how far I can get. There's way too much coming out here, way too much. If it sounds like a train, like you can hear it like that, there's obviously too much media, way too much. But if it's on other end of scale, if it sounds like a, I don't know, sounds like a kettle, one of them steam kettles on a stove, and it's screaming right loud, high pitched noise, but it's still blasting, you could probably get away with just turning it up a little bit. That's like on the other end of scale. This what I'm doing now, I know I'm wasting it, I'm wasting the media, but I'm just going to persevere. I'm going to get this one done. I want to get this pot finished off, go and pick my other blast pot up. It's going to be a long day today. If you get your pipes working wrong way around, there's a valve inside here, inside the slot. Let me see if I can get it on. There's a valve inside here. This one is your feed. This should be red, but obviously when I bought this line, that's all they had in stock, so I've ended up buying a green one. This is your feed from your machine, from your pot. The compressor goes to your pot, obviously you're getting a feed, you're getting a tap up here. This is the main feed that comes in here. See this little knuckle here? It's a reducer valve. So inside there, well I say reducer valve, it's a smaller hole than what's on this. This is a bigger bore. So this little weep hole here, air comes in here under its pressure. I close that, which that rubber bung there sits on there, sending its signal back down here. Well, that signal inside there, it's smaller because obviously this is high pressure. When you let go of this, there's more air that can come back up here through that and back out of that hole, obviously shutting the machine down. But if we didn't have that in, you won't be able to shut the machine down because obviously there's still going to be higher pressure here blowing out of that hole, and that one can't bleed it off. This is a bleeder, so when you let that off, it's bleeding air back, so there's no air. When I shut that now, air's blowing out of here instead, not backside. So when I shut that, I've had to let that go because I don't want sand to start, but when I shut that, that's when sand can come back down here and back down to that line, telling the sand to start. Hey, I've managed to get a couple of twats with an hammer. It's still blowing, as you can see, still blowing a little bit, but it's stopped for now. Now we'll have to see what happens. Oh, I've got too much sand. There we go. Yep, still too much sand. So I've just overfilled it again. It's not going well today. I need to fix this pot. It's just wasting my media, but I'm a good way through the boat now, so hopefully I can get it finished off and then try and get my pot fixed or swapped out. I don't know. Might be time for a new one, I don't know. Let's see how much it's going to cost to repair. There's way too much sand here. I don't try it, see if it works. I'll give it a try. No, definitely a dud. Obviously I've got a sand issue as well, not only the fact that I can't shut off. I can't link them both together neither, because obviously sand's bottom half at pot, turning it on and off's top half at pot. So I've got a fair few quid I need to spend on this pot, I think. Fair bit of maintenance work. Could be linked together. The airflow. But I can't set this media. I can't seem to get it under control. If I go up and I turn it down, it stops it. I can't get it set. If I turn it up, it's too much. I just can't seem to win. I'm hoping the one that I put away in storage is going to be alright. I can't remember why. All I'm hoping for is I put it away because I wanted to try this idea out. That's the only reason I can think that I put that pot away for, that's still going to be reasonably working. Well, I hope it works. I can't think why I'd put it away though, if it were working. There's only one reason I'd put it away, if it were broke. I don't know if that means a lot of money spending on it. I know this one does. Not quite scrapyard for it, but it's close to. See, them bits there, they're scale. They're scabs and rust. It's hard to show you on camera what's actually mill scale and what's just blacking. You see there, that bit. I can tell, because obviously I can see it. You can see it a lot better with naked eye than what you can with a camera. That grey underneath that black is what's in steel. And I keep saying it, but I'm going to get a lot of people not complaining, but not understanding that I don't actually need to take that off. I know I've said it previously, but it's already on board when I get to it, so if it needed to come off, why is it still on when I get to it? I know I've said that before. Yeah, that's what it's all about, isn't it? You only do what you get paid to do. Now let's have a look. I'm glad they put them strings on there though. Oh, that's not doing it. This is what happens if we can't get it under control. could just move a gas bottle, but not close. I'm going to see if I can get my pot fixed now. Either that or pick up my Holden and hope for best, and hope that I ain't packed it to the head issues. Yeah, look at that, different steel. You see what weld line is? Obviously that's got a lot more mill scale than what that side was. And it's not that I've done any different blasting, I used any different media, it's all the same media. Right, we'll catch you next then.